Welcome to Jonas Unseen Stories. Dive into Hollywood's hidden gems, exclusive photos, and untold insider secrets. Hit subscribe to catch every dazzling moment. Emma Samms has long been celebrated for her grace, charm, and enduring talent. From her early beginnings on British television to becoming a beloved fixture in American entertainment, she has built a legacy defined by authenticity, elegance, and emotional depth. What sets her apart is not only her timeless beauty or fame, but the quiet confidence that surrounds her, an aura of natural poise that draws admiration effortlessly. Whether in a tender close-up or a scene filled with intensity, Emma possesses a rare gift. She makes every role linger in the viewer's memory, touching hearts with performances that feel deeply human and sincere. A Star is Born on General Hospital. Emma first captured international attention through her portrayal of Holly Sutton on General Hospital, one of the most iconic characters in daytime television history. Holly was no ordinary soap heroine. She was intelligent, witty, and full of heart, with a charm that felt entirely real. Samms infused the character with warmth and complexity, transforming what could have been a standard role into a nuanced portrayal of love, loss, and resilience. Her chemistry with co-star Tristan Rogers as Robert Scorpio became legendary, defining an era of General Hospital that remains beloved by fans decades later. Critics praised her ability to balance strength and vulnerability, giving daytime television a heroine who was sophisticated yet relatable. Through Holly Sutton, Emma Samms proved that even in a genre built on heightened emotion, authenticity could shine through, and she became a household name because of it. The glamour and power of Dynasty. Following her General Hospital triumph, Samms joined the cast of Dynasty as Fallon Carrington Colby, stepping into one of television's most glamorous and high-pressure roles. The 1980s were the height of television extravagance, and Dynasty was its crown jewel, a world of wealth, rivalry, and dazzling style. Yet beneath the couture gowns and opulent sets, Emma brought humanity and intelligence to Fallon. Her performance balanced the character's confidence with emotional depth, revealing a woman who was not just powerful and beautiful, but deeply human. Viewers saw in her both the fire of ambition and the fragility of emotion. Samms's portrayal redefined what it meant to be a leading lady on primetime television, earning her a permanent place among the decade's defining stars. Grace, resilience, and authenticity. Beyond the screen, Emma Samms has continued to embody resilience and grace. Her personal life, marked by both triumphs and challenges, has revealed her inner strength and genuine character. She has spoken candidly about her experiences, showing that vulnerability and courage can coexist beautifully. Even as she has chosen a more private life in recent years, her elegance endures in every interview, appearance, and photograph. Her timeless style and gentle demeanor reflect a deeper truth: that real sophistication is not about glamour, but about self-assurance and kindness. A legacy that inspires. Emma Samms's influence reaches far beyond her television roles. She is admired not only for her acting, but for her compassion, philanthropy, and the sincerity she brings to everything she does. For generations of fans, she has represented grace under pressure, a woman who built a career on talent and integrity rather than spectacle. Today, she stands as a reminder that true star power is not fleeting. It grows richer with time. Emma Samms remains a beacon of warmth, beauty, and strength, proof that real stars never fade. They simply continue to illuminate those who remember them.